truck.
Go, go, go! Steamroller!
Carry and dump the dirt. Dump truck, dump poo.
Vroom, pa, boom. Roll and roll, press, press, steamroller max. Vroom, pa, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We are the world's best construction team. The greatest friendship, supreme teamwork. We are the world's best construction team. The greatest friendship, supreme teamwork.
Go, go! Excavator! Go, go, go!
Bulldozer!
Go, go!
Dump truck.
Go, go, go! Steamroller! Go, go! Construction team!
There is still so much left. It looks like I'll be missing Bruner's performance. Hold on. I know what. I'll haul all of this in one shot.
Hey, Dump,
Yeah?
that's too much to carry all at once. You could get hurt.
Oh no, I'll be fine. I can handle this.
Good luck.
Wow, Mickey's really pulling out all the stops. Aw, what a shame. He couldn't quite complete the tail.
Too bad. Dump is going to be late. It's almost Bruner's turn.
Yeah, you're right.
I hope it's not too many. But if I don't hurry, I won't be there to watch Bruner perform. Oh! 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 No! Oh!
All right, folks. Only Bruner and Spooky haven't performed. Either competitor could be today's winner. And the question is, who will it be?
Why hasn't Dump gotten here yet? He said he was going to cheer me on.
We're going to take a little break. Rescue team members, please come to the stage.
What could it be?
What's up, Jin?
I got an emergency call from the mill. Dump got into an accident on his way up the hill.
What? An accident?
Apparently, Dump got a flat tire. So all the lumber he was carrying rolled back down the hill. The main road is now completely blocked.
Let's go, Poli! Right. We need to hurry.
We never should have left Dump alone there.
I feel so bad.
Helly, fly on ahead and see what's going on.
On my way!
Oh, I can't move an inch. I wish someone would help me.
There he is! Dumpy!
Ellie! Ellie, I can't keep standing up anymore.
Hang in there! The rescue team will be here any minute! Huh? There they are! Poli! Up here!
Roy, take care of this with Amber.
Okay.
Let's clean this place up.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you, my friends.
You're very welcome.
Ah!
Amber, look out! Oh! Whew.
Roy, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just fine.
You're all set.
Titan, thanks for the help.
Don't worry. It's easy. I'll be fine.
All right. Try moving.
Great. Good as new. Thank you, Amber. And all of you.
You're welcome. One thing, Dump. From now on, don't try to carry too much all at one time. It's not safe.
Right.
Squeaky, squeaky excavator, digging, lifting all day long. Squeaky, squeaky excavator, one that we adore. 1, 2, 3, 4, with a rumble and a roar, moving dirt out anywhere the roads are rough. Up and down and round it goes, big boulders couldn't stop it at all. When the wheels start to roll away, let's go! Squeaky, squeaky excavator, digging, lifting all day long. Squeaky, squeaky excavator, one that we adore. Scooping up sand and rocks so grand, fixing tires and arms that extend. Up and down and round it goes, big boulders couldn't stop me at all. When my strong wheels start to roll away, let's go! Squeaky, squeaky excavator, digging, lifting all day long. Squeaky, squeaky excavator, one that we adore. Yeah! Go put on the gallows hat. The wheels are turning well. Hey! If you're ready like me, let's go! Squeaky, squeaky excavator, digging, lifting all day long. Squeaky, squeaky excavator, one that we adore. Squeaky, squeaky excavator, digging, lifting all day long. Squeaky, squeaky excavator, one that we adore.
Hey guys, look, there goes Polk again.
What? Good. I'll follow him and find out what's been going on. I'll be back. Huh? Where is he going? Oh no! That was close. Huh? Oh, no! I lost him! Oh. No.
Oh! There you are.
What are you doing here, Poke?
Yeah. Well, it's a good thing we found you, Poke. Let's get to work.
Yeah.
We're going to pave the road and install a lamppost. So, Bruner, start digging. Right about here. Poke, you can help load this dirt onto Dump. Max, you start packing down this dirt.
Sure.
You wanted me to dig here, right?
Yes.
Here we go. Poke! I'll go after him. He's not going to lose me this time.
What on earth is going on here?
Poke, slow down! Where are you going? Oh! I found him. Poke, watch it! Look out!
Watch it next time.
Poke!
Helly, fly on ahead to the scene and take control.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on with you, please. Huh? Helly!
Don't you worry, Poke. The rest of the team is coming.
Hang in there, buddy.
Huh? You're here.
Over here! Here! Over here!
Poke! Are you hurt? Roy, help me get Poke up.
Sure.
Careful. Amber, check and see if he's all right.
Okay.
Terry, stop!
What's happening?
There was a problem. We're taking care of it, but it would be better if you took a different route.
Oh, I'll go a different way then.
Thank you, Terry.
It's okay, but I need to make sure you're all right, Poke.
Poke!
Amber, do you think he might be in pain?
I need to take a closer look.
How is Poke?
Well, Amber's been checking him out, but it seems like he's hardly moving at all.
Polly, I think we should take Poke back to headquarters for a thorough medical checkup.
Poke, just hang in there. We're gonna take you back to headquarters.
What's going on? Huh? A flower? There's a flower in his shovel.
A flower? This flower was at our construction site. Poke, have you been trying to protect this flower? Of course. Now I know Poke's secret.
Secret?
Yes!
So this is the famous flower? Pretty.
Scooby, you've got graffiti all over you.
Who drew all this stuff on me?
Huh? What's Poke doing here? Huh? What is this?
What do you think, Amber?
It does look like they were drawn by Poke.
Besides, Posty saw him hauling his paint set around.
It sounds like we're pretty sure who did this.
Poke.
It must have been a lot of trouble for you guys because of Poke. Yes, yes. Of course, I'll have a nice chat with him without losing my temper. Yes. Why, you little Poke. Poke!
Mr. Builder.
Do you know how much trouble you caused in the village with all your drawing? I'm taken. Poke. I was a little too hard on him. I should return his painting tools and try to make him feel better. Huh? But he must have run off. Oh my. Poke! Poke!
Mr. Builder!
Poli,
All right, what happened here?
I was just too hard on Poke over the whole drawing thing. He left this painting and just disappeared. I shouldn't have been so hard on him. What if something were to happen to him in the middle of the night?
Don't worry, nothing will happen.
Poli!
Huh?
Check it out! There's a bit of paint!
There's more here.
If we follow the trail of paint, it may lead us straight to wherever Poke went.
I think we'll be able to find Poke. Don't worry and wait for us here.
Okay.
Over here!
Let's go!
Right! Poke!
Poke! Poke! Oh,
I don't see any more traces of paint.
Huh? Shh! Do you hear that?
it's this way! Poke! Hurry up! You're safe now! Don't worry! Everyone was so worried because you suddenly disappeared.
Yeah! Let's go home now. Are you worried that they won't ever let you make any more drawings?
Poke, it isn't that Mr. Builder doesn't like that you draw. It's that he gets worried when you cause trouble for other village friends.
Yes. Mr. Builder's very sorry he took away your paints. Yeah, that's right. So, Poke, you don't have to worry about not being able to do your paintings.
Right.